Welcome to BI Knowledge Point. Today I am here to explain you what is waterfall chart and petro chart and how we can generate report through Power BI. Now let's begin. So before starting, just I am going to explain you what is a waterfall and petro chart. Waterfall chart is a form of data visualization that helps in understand cumulative effect of sequential introduce positive or negative value. These immediate value can be either be time based or category based. The waterfall chart is also known as flying brick chart or metro chart. Second is what is petro chart? It is a chart that contains both bar and line graph, which individual values are represented descending order by bar and the cumulative represented by the line. Now let's begin. So now we are in the Power BI desktop. First I am going to show you waterfall chart. So in the visual section you will see here symbol waterfall chart. So double click, you will get here. Now I am going to bring sales, year, by product. So now see we got the chart sales by year and product. So you if you go and click on, you will get the view of that particular product, what is the sale and what's the year amount for that, and this is the total amount. Okay, now I'm going to show you petro chart. So for that, clicking to new window. Since this chart is not available here, so for that what we have to do, you have to click on here and import from app source. So just click on apps store, and here in search engine you have to write down. See, now when you are going to write down, it will comes like this, and whatever chart we require which is not available in that visual section, we can import from here, add. Now we got here, so double click here and enlarge it, bring data sales and product. Just hang it. So yeah, so now we can see we got the chart product by sales. So that's all for today video. Catch you in the next video. Please like and subscribe my channel.